All right, today we're working on another Lexus lost key replacement. This customer lost all their keys, so they sent the door lock, they sent the ECU, plan of action as usual. I'm going to decode the lock, figure out what the cuts are, take a key blank like this, and figure out what the cuts are, cut it onto a key blank, make sure it's turning nice and smooth. I like the nice spring action. And that's it. I'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut and programmed. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here you go. Keys cut nice and smooth. We should have, let me make sure my finger's out of the way because I pinched it a few times in the past. Let's grab this one. Nice spring action. That means it's cut perfect. It's not hanging up nowhere. There are chips in here, so they are pre-programmed into the ECU. And that's it. This puppy's ready to rock. So at this point, it's all plug and play. You need my help, give me a call. I've been doing this since 1990, so I was doing this before all the chips came about. So got a lot of experience doing this. If you can't find nobody in your area to help you out, need somebody that you can trust that got some experience, give me a call. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. If you like my videos, like, subscribe, share. I'll catch you all on the next one. Appreciate you.